Channels that grow fast today all share the same formula: a clear message, simple visuals, and powerful storytelling, even without showing your face. Hey guys, I am Amber. In this video, I'll break down how to create a faceless YouTube channel that looks and feels just like the top motivational and business creators, and how you can structure your videos using a professional virtual host. What is the real essence of these successful channels? Although they look like personal talks, the underlying logic is fixed and highly replicable. They focus on 3 eternal themes. First, mindset and discipline, how to stay mentally strong. Second, business and success, the mindset for making money and successful habits. Third, communication and charisma, how to boost influence and command respect. Do you see? This content is structural and templated, making it perfect for AI narration. The reason is simple. The focus of these channels is not on the face. It's about powerful ideas, clear structure, and high information density. Now let's talk content. What structure makes a motivational faceless channel go viral? The secret is incredibly simple. Just lock in these 3 steps and your video conversion rate will soar. Step 1. Hook, the counterintuitive punch. Your hook isn't random. It's about stating a counterintuitive claim. It must be something people believe that you're about to tell them is wrong. For example,
stop setting goals. They're just making you more confused.
Or even stronger,
discipline is a lie.
That first sentence must make viewers stop scrolling. Step 2. Pain and truth, the head-nodding resonance. After the hook, quickly build resonance. Point out the viewer's specific struggle and the true root of the problem. You can say, "Do you start motivated only to quit after a few weeks, feeling like a failure?" Then the truth. The more you push, the deeper you fall into the guilt and quitting loop because you rely on unreliable willpower. That's empathy, and that's how you build trust. Step 3. Points and solution, the actionable value. Now, deliver your core value. Distill your methodology and logic into several actionable points. Summarize it like this.
To fix this, you need to change 3 things. You need a system-driven approach, not willpower, setting 3 small, unbreakable habits.
Or more specific,
Shift from outcome thinking to system thinking. First, establish a feedback loop. Second, set a daily minimum task. Third, eliminate all environmental friction.
traditional knowledge channels have pain points, high filming costs, complex set design, and multilingual difficulty. But with JoggAI, you enter Pro Creator mode. When choosing your AI avatar host, I suggest you prioritize professional attire and simple backgrounds. Use high-quality, low-distraction visuals to ensure the audience focuses on the host's message, maximizing credibility. Your avatar's style is your brand's style. You can even generate the B-roll footage directly within JoggAI, making it a truly one-stop AI video content creation platform. The key to long-term growth for a faceless channel is sustainability. With JoggAI, you can easily produce 1 to 2 deep dive videos daily and repurpose the long-form content into various short clips. Use the short clips to test audience feedback, then expand the popular short-form ideas into your next long video topic. This ensures your content is audience-driven. You don't show your face, but your channel remains professional, credible, and influential. To summarize, you don't need to be the expert on camera. You need a clear framework and a professional digital host. If you want to start your own faceless channel with content creation, open JoggAI and create your first video now. I'm Amber, and I'll see you next time.